Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add the Bitcoin or BTC USD in MetaTrader 4. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 4, then go and click on this dollar sign here. Now go and choose crypto group. Make sure that you linked your MetaTrader 4 with a broker that has crypto. Okay. So here go to the search bar and type BTC. And now, as you can see, this is it, BTC USD, Bitcoin versus US dollar. Click on it one time, click on show symbol, and click on OK. Now click on it, drag it, and drop it here on the chart. And now, as you can see here, we have BTC USD, 1 hour time frame, Bitcoin versus US dollar. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.